Tired of your crypto being stuck in your P2P wallet when you want to trade on spot or derivatives? Let's jump right into how to easily transfer your crypto from your Bybit P2P wallet to other wallets within Bybit. First, log into your Bybit account. It's best to do this via your computer. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section, usually found at the top of the page here. You'll see an overview of your different wallets, including spot, derivatives, and importantly, P2P. Locate your P2P wallet. You should see a button labeled Transfer next to it. Click on this button. You'll now see the transfer interface. This is where you specify the details of your transfer under from. Select your P2P wallet. Then, under 2, choose the wallet you want to transfer your crypto to, such as your spot wallet for trading or your derivatives wallet for futures trading. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from the available options. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer in the amount field. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen to ensure they're correct. This includes the from wallet, the to wallet, the cryptocurrency, and the amount. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click the confirm button. And that's it. Your funds have now been successfully transferred from your Bybit P2P wallet to your chosen wallet. Now you can use the funds to trade. Easy peasy, right? Happy trading.